Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Simply Earth essential oil unboxing. This is a monthly subscription. You get essential oils, recipe cards, and other little goodies in here. So that's what I'll show you first, is the recipe cards. This month it's the May box and it's for hair care. So this one is a simple scalp scrub. On the back of that card, it talks about the different essential oils that came in the box and their general uses and safety. It's my favorite card in the box. Then we have a Greener Pastures roll-on. That one has patchouli, rosemary, and basil. I bet that smells really good. On the back of that card, it talks about how they donate 13% of their profits to a different human trafficking organization every month. So that's awesome. Then we have a Flower Crown diffuser blend. A sneak peek at next month's box. It does tell you what essential oils, ooh, that's my favorite, what essential oils you'll be getting. Then we have Sunflower Heart Protection Spray. I feel like that's what I need. If it's like a heat protectant for hair, I definitely need that. A note from Katie, that is the recipe formulator for Simply Earth. Next we have Silky Soft Hair Mask. That one has a lot of ingredients, but the recipe is still pretty simple, and it does continue on the back of that card. And the very last one is Restorative Hair Balm. And again, that one probably continues. Yep, that one continues on the back. So let's take a look at the other goodies we have. They always send you stickers so you can label the tops of your essential oils and then the different products that you make. Then we have sunflower seed oil and some alcohol and emulsifying wax. And then for the essential oils, we have patchouli, dark patchouli specifically. We have B.O. Begone. So that is a blend of lavender, orange, patchouli, ylang ylang, and sandalwood essential oils. And rosemary. And last but not least, basil. So this is a really cool subscription. If you guys are interested and this would be your first time joining, there's a promo code below that will get you a $45 gift card. So I will have all the information in the description box below this video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.